Today we're going to look at this Swiss Army knife that I got from my dad for Father's Day.
You mean I didn't get socks?
No.
Well, thank you for that amazing introduction, Miraculous Girl, and thank you everyone for joining us again here on Exploring It All. And as she said, this is my Father's Day gift. We are going to take a quick look at this. We've looked at this particular model before, but you know, it's Father's Day, so we have to take a look at this here. And it's awesome. So this is from the Swiss knife shop. It is a Tinker, just a standard Tinker, but it has the most awesome skills. Now I did put this back in the box so that I could do this unboxing, but I've been carrying this since Father's Day and I love it. Best dad ever. Miraculous Girl is awesome and I love her to death, and she loves me back. So there's a couple of great pictures. She grew out of the one shirt she used to wear all the time that said, "The coolest thing about my dad is basically everything." And it just, you know, I just try to be the best dad ever. So anyway, let's take a quick look at the Victorinox Tinker. We will start with the back side, and well, let's start with the scale tools. It comes with, and I may have some blue tools for this. I may have to change these out for some blue tools, but we have tweezers, and a toothpick, and if I have blue tools, you know I'm changing that out. We have the toothpick. It does not have the pin, although it does have the pin hole in the scale. And these aren't plus scales, so there's no ballpoint pen. Anyway, on the back side, we have the Phillips screwdriver. This is the back scale Phillips. There is also another Phillips that runs along the front in some models. It's at a 90 degree. It doesn't go back any further. And, you know, I find that I like the Tinker model. I like the Phillips screwdriver over the corkscrew. The only advantage the corkscrew has is you can put the other little tools in there. And then you have the new modern, what is it? Leather punch, reamer, and it has the sewing eye, and as you can see, this is still new. It has all the oils on it because the Victorinox knives come oiled. So on the mainline tools, you have your can opener, and I use my can opener all the time. I actually sold my electric can opener in a garage sale because I like using my Swiss Army knife can openers. I have another one that I have over in the kitchen that I use to open cans just because I find it fun. And then we also have the micro screwdriver on the end here. Next, you have the bottle opener cap lifter with a standard slotted screwdriver, and again this has oil all over it. I don't have a cloth handy here, and it does have a 90 degree stop, give you a little bit more torque when turning and whatnot. And then you have your wire stripper, wire bender right here, and a lot of people don't realize this is actually coarse right here inside as it takes off pieces of my nail. So this is actually a 3-in-1 kind of tool. Then you have your small spear point blade. And there's no tang stamps on that, the small spear point blade. And then you have your main spear point blade. And this one is, it says Victorinox Swiss made stainless on this side and Officer Swiss on the other. And these are always sharp. You have to be careful with them. When they first come out, these things are always sharp. I've cut myself with many a Swiss Army knife just closing it in one knot. So that is your spear point blade. And then again, your scale with Best Dad Ever. Awesome Father's Day gift from Miraculous Girl. And I just love it. Very happy about this. I've been carrying it. And the only side note that I can say is on my most recent Swiss Army knives, I have been carrying the Swiss clip that attaches on here, but to attach it on this, it would cover up this scale, and I don't want to do that. So I've just been carrying this. And I will say I have been considering, because I do like my Victorinox Super Tinker and Deluxe Tinkers, and I've thought about changing these scales out and putting it on one of those models, because it's the scales that really, you know, get me in the heart. So guys, as a little side note on a modification for this, I'm going to, they do have available tweezers and toothpicks in the blue. And so, and these are the same dark blue as this. So I think this is kind of awesome. Okay, is this the right one? Just double check it here. That one's not curved. That one's straight. This one's curved. All right, so we have the curved one here that matches that. And we're going to zoom in a little bit here. And on the toothpick, we're going to be in the same situation here. Let's go with the curved edge on it. The other one's a smaller one, probably for the Swiss card or something, but or the SD. It's classic. So we do have that, and we also have, as I mentioned, I couldn't use a Swiss clip, but we have that. So we have the blue tweezer or toothpick and the blue tweezer in there. See how that fits in? Looks great. And the blue lanyard on there. So I'll add that in my box of spares there. And so now I've customized my Best Dad Ever Swiss Army knife. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.